Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can install WordPress in our local host. So with this procedure you can easily make a WordPress website in your PC and for free also. So let's see how we can install WordPress on localhost. So first of all we will open our browser and search for this app or this software, that is XAMPP. So mine is Windows, so I am going with Windows. So you can install this is the XAMPP software. You can install it for Windows, or you can install it for Linux, or you can install it for Mac also. So now we will install it for Windows. So I am going with this version 8.2.4. You can install any one of this. So just click here download. So it is 149 MB, so it will take some time for downloading. So it is showing your download will start shortly. So yes, our download has been started, so you can see this. So let us wait, and we will have to install one more software, that is just search for WordPress, download, first site. So just scroll down and now just click here download WordPress. So 6.3.2 is the latest version, so you can go with this. So now just click here download WordPress. So this is the WordPress website which we will use to create our own website and host it in our local host. So you can see this, both the softwares are downloading. So I am skipping this part to save the time. So our both softwares are downloaded now. So what we will do is just let us keep this downloads in desktop so that we can easily access them when we need. So just close all this and now just paste the both softwares here. So first of all we will install this XAMPP software. So let's install it. So you can click here yes. Click on next, and don't change anything over here. So now click on next. Now language, you can set your own language, let it be English, and now click on next. So setup is ready, again click on next. So our software is installing. So our installation is completed. So now just click on finish. So you can see this is our XAMPP control panel. So we will do nothing here. First of all just minimize it, and we have to unzip this file. So this is a zip file. We will unzip this using WinRAR. So just click on extract files and now click on OK. Or this is the folder which contains our WordPress files. So just open it. So this is the files, and now the XAMPP folder is located in the Windows C drive. So you can see this is the XAMPP folder. Just open it and you can see all these files. So first of all, to create our website, what we will do is just we have to copy this WordPress folder files. Just open this file and now select all these files and just copy it and just paste it in the, just open the Windows C drive, and now then XAMPP, then htdocs folder. You can see this htdocs. Now just open this and now just create a folder of your website name. So this is optional, but you can do, it's your wish. So I'm going with this name, my channel name, like this. So I have created a folder of my channel name. Now just open it and paste all these files over here. So we have pasted all these files over here in the folder named Byte Ideas. So you can give your own name. And now what we will do, just close this, and now we will start our XAMPP server. So first of all, you have to click here start. We have to start the Apache and MySQL, this both. So we have let's start again. So yes, we have started our Apache and MySQL both. We have to start this both. And now what we will do, just search for, just open your browser and now search for localhost / here we will enter our website name or the folder name which we have given. So in this case our folder name is, our folder name is Byte Ideas. So we will just enter Byte Ideas like this and now click on enter. So you can see this, it's asking for WordPress installation. So let's go with English and now click on continue and now click on let's go. So here, before filling this, we have to create a database in our localhost. So let's create the database first. So for this you can open your XAMPP control panel and search for, or just click here admin. So in MySQL you can click here admin. So this website or this localhost page will be opened, which is localhost php myadmin, or you can directly search for localhost / php myadmin like this. You can also search and you will get this page. Now what we will do, just click here new. So we will create a database and the database name which I will give is the same as my folder name, like this. So after entering the database name, you can click here create. So you can say this, our database has been created over here. Now just click here. So it's some connection problem is there. Okay, MySQL has stopped. So let's click start again. So okay, MySQL has been started. Now click here retry to connect. So yes, it is connected. Now again open our database, and now we will go to here privileges, and now we will add a user account here. So username I will give the same here. You can give your own username, and now password we will enter a password you must use a strong password here, and let's retype the password. So after this, don't change host name over here, let it be like this. And username, you have to just enter your username and password like this. And now just check this tick box, this both, and now click here, check all, and just scroll down and click on go. So we have added a new user, so this information will be used to log in over here. So just enter all these details as we have given in our PHP myadmin. So database name, our database name is Byte Ideas. Username is also this. Password, the password which we have given just earlier. So please note down all these details, it will be required after, or you can when you want to log in to WordPress, then you need all these details. So now click on submit. After entering all these details, now click on submit. So you can see this, we are ready to install our WordPress. So we can click run the installation. So site title, you can give your own site title. I'm giving this. Password, you can enter your own password. So just enter a strong password over here. After entering the password, enter your email. You can use your personal email or the work email which you use. So I am going with my email. And please be sure the email is correct. And now just click here install WordPress after entering the email. So you can see the WordPress has been installed successfully. Now click on login. So username, just enter the username and password which we used for the WordPress site. Now click here login. Now click here login. So you can see this WordPress dashboard. Now you can install various themes like Astra or any other theme which you can use to build your own website. So just install this. So now click on activate. So you can see this is the dashboard and there are various themes you can use over here like Astra or any other themes to build your own website. So this is the whole video in which we have installed WordPress on our localhost, and this is the whole process how we can do this. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.